Question number 1. Which blood group has no antibody? And the choices are blood group A, B, O or AB. And the answer is AB because it is universal recipient. What type of blood group is known as universal donor? Remember, AB is a universal recipient. So out of AB, AB or O negative, which is the universal donor? And the answer is O negative. What is color of blood plasma? Very tricky question. Blue, red, pale yellow or white? Mostly people write red and the answer is pale yellow. Veins contain which type of blood? Choices are oxygen rich, carbon dioxide rich, none of them or both of them. And the answer is carbon dioxide rich, because when they brought blood from all parts of the body to the heart, and this is where the oxygen is utilized and then it is sent to the veins, and veins they bring it to heart, and hence it has carbon dioxide rich. From heart it goes to lungs where it is purified again. So answer is CO2 rich blood. Similarly, if it is a question with artery, it will be oxygen rich. Next, WBC is nucleated, amoeboid means of any shape, and act as a soldier of the body. So choices are: first is correct, is it nucleated? Third is correct, is a soldier of the body. Second and third is correct, are correct. And the last choice is all three are correct, and the answer is all three are correct. That's our next question. Heart is covered by double membrane sac known as, and the choices are epicardium, epi means outer, cardium is a kind of layer, endocardium inside it, pericardium and coronary cardium, and the answer is pericardium. Thank you so much friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.